Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. In today's video, we're diving into the world of large language model agents, or LLM agents. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a beginner, or a professional, this guide will help you understand the key concepts of LLM agents. Let's get started. So, what exactly are LLM agents? Large language model agents are specialized AI systems that leverage large pre-trained language models to perform a variety of tasks. These agents can understand and generate human-like text, making them incredibly useful in numerous applications. LLM agents are essentially AI systems that use large language models, such as GPT-4, BERT, or other advanced models, to process and generate text. They are trained on vast amounts of data and can perform tasks like answering questions, summarizing information, translating languages, and even engaging in conversations. Let's break down the key components of LLM agents. 1. Input. The process starts with input data, which can be text, speech, or any other form of language data. 2. Tokenization. The input data is tokenized, which means it's broken down into smaller units like words or subwords. This step is crucial for the model to understand and process the data. 3. Embedding. Each token is then converted into a high-dimensional vector using embeddings. These embeddings capture the semantic meaning of the tokens. 4. Model processing. The pre-trained language model processes these embeddings to understand context, relationships, and patterns in the data. 5. Output. Finally, the model generates an output based on its understanding, which could be a response, a summary, a translation, or any other form of text generation. LLM agents have a wide range of applications. Here are a few examples. Customer support. LLM agents can handle customer queries, provide support, and resolve issues through chatbots and virtual assistants. Content creation. They can generate articles, reports, and even creative writing pieces, helping content creators and marketers. Translation services, LLM. Agents can translate text from one language to another with high accuracy. Education and training. They can assist in creating educational content, tutoring, and providing personalized learning experiences. Healthcare LLM agents can help in diagnosing medical conditions, providing health advice, and managing patient records. While LLM agents offer numerous benefits, they also come with challenges. Let's look at both. Benefits 1. Efficiency. LLM agents can process and generate text quickly, saving time and effort. 2. Accuracy. With extensive training data, they can provide accurate and relevant responses. 3. Scalability. They can handle large volumes of data and interact with multiple users simultaneously. Challenges. 1. Data bias. If the training data contains biases, the model's outputs may also be biased. 2. Resource-intensive training and running large language models require significant computational resources. 3. Interpretability. Understanding how these models arrive at specific outputs can be challenging, making them less transparent. While the benefits of LLM agents are clear, it's important to address these challenges to ensure that their deployment is responsible and effective. The future of LLM agents is incredibly promising. As models become more advanced and training data grows, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable agents. One exciting area is the development of multimodal LLM agents, which can understand and generate not just text, but also images, audio, and video. This will open up new possibilities in fields like virtual reality, augmented reality, and interactive media. Another area is personalization. Future LLM agents will be able to tailor their responses and interactions based on individual user preferences, providing a more customized and engaging experience. Moreover, ethical AI development will be a key focus. Ensuring that these agents are fair, transparent, and unbiased will be crucial as they become more integrated into our daily lives. In conclusion, LLM agents are set to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more AI insights and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. See you next time.